First word is thank, and second word is you. Thank you. No, it's been a real honor to have this air show in this part of the country. We have been trying to come to the Northeast for quite some time, 2-3 years we tried. So just for this, we even changed our time from October to November, so that we could have this show here. And I'm really amazed at the kind of response that we've got. Full support from the administration and the way people have come today. Of course, we'll come to know the count tomorrow when people administration tells us how many people. But it was such a great show that everybody supported. Thank you all for supporting us. And
do you think this
remote place?
statesman is
Sir, Northeast is a very remote place. And what's the new plan, a new thing for the people of Northeast India?
So Northeast is not a remote place anymore. It's very much connected.
Very similar question. The Indian Air Force is truly the friends of the people and of the northeastern people. But my question is, would there be more air shows in the Northeast?
Yeah, we always had various display teams coming to Northeast and continuing. And this is the first time we've had an Air Force Day celebration in Northeast. That after a long time, ever since we moved out. So this is the fourth in a row that we are having outside Delhi. So I'm sure every now and then we'll keep coming back to Northeast also. We will be trying to balance.
Yesterday NOTAM has been issued in the Northeast, and you are also carrying out a joint exercise here with the Army and the Air Force here. And at the same time, sir, there has been a tense situation in Bangladesh, and reportedly Pakistan has docked a wasip in Bangladesh. How do you see all these developments together, sir?
Today's day is not to discuss these developments. We are here to celebrate Air Force Day. So I'll restrict myself to that. These exercises are all regular things. It's not that anything is happening for any specific purpose. Okay.
So what is the message for youth of Northeast India? What is the message?
I would like to encourage the youth of Northeast also to come, join the forces, do something for the nation, do something in aviation sector, because we need the youth to come up from entire country. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for your support.